Kalonzo, they work with Raila, and then Raila comes and says, no, I didn't say that. Could there be altars, the Ukambani altars hindering him? Look here, let me give you a very small example. Who brought Kalonzo to politics?
Was it Mulu Mutisia?
Mulu Mutisia.
Yeah.
Mulu Mutisia was the king of Ukambani.
Yeah.
He was the level he went up to was being the king of Ukamba. The king of Ukamba, he became the chairman of KANU in the area. Mulu Mutisia was the powerhouse in Ukambani. He was a blind man but controlling. This is the man that brought Kalonzo Musyoka into the limelight. This is a son of Kalonzo Musyoka politically. And if your father did not go beyond the village you come from, it is because of the altars and foundations that are speaking in him, it will be so difficult for you to rise. Not unless you uvunje madhabahu ya baba yako. Just as Gideon did, he destroyed the altar of his father, and from there he was able to rise up. Sometimes you have to destroy the altars of our fathers, the people who brought us in politics. Kalonzo need to go and interrogate himself and see whether Mulu Mutisia is the impediment for him to become the president of the country. Because when it comes the Wiper party, akienda Ukambani he becomes a hero, but akitoka nje anaisha. Akienda Ukambani na Wiper party nakuta kuna members of parliament, lakini akitoka nje something does not work. He need to address the issue of Mulu Mutisia. Yes.